Jimin, yes, mom, we just reached Mrs. Min. That's good, son. Now enjoy your time, she said, and Jimin smiled. He cut the call and signed, and then the man entered in the room. Jimin didn't look at him. He looked into another side. Yoongi, you go and fresh up, he said, and Jimin, without saying anything, he go from there. Yoongi sat on the bed and he started to do something on his mobile. He started to talk with someone and Jimin come out from the bathroom. He see Yoongi is busy in his phone. He signed and sit on the bed. Yoongi turned. He said, Jimin, Yoongi, what you want to eat? I order food for you. His voice is a call and Jimin looked at him. Jimin don't want to eat anything. I don't want to eat anything. I will eat by myself if I want, she said and lay on. हाँ, मेरा टेक्स्ट छोटा हो गया इसलिए मैं टेक्स्ट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लिखती हूँ कि वॉइस ओवर हो जाए। तो लोगों को लगता है कि मैं अपना टाइम वेस्ट करती हूँ इतना ज़्यादा लिख कर। His bed. Yoongi sighed. Yoongi, as you wish, he said, and you go out from the room. Jimin see his disappearing figure. Jimin sit on the bed. Jimin like, seriously? He'll leave me alone in the room. I am in new country, and he looked at him and then he said, I'm not ready to take step in the he ever see his actions. So Jimin lay on the bed and he closed his eyes. So he fell asleep. So yeah, he is Min Jimin of Min Yoongi. He is the mafia and Jimin is a simple boy. Jimin Yoongi so much, but Yoongi said he is not interested. So first Jimin tried to talk with him, but then he lost hope and now he don't even look at Yoongi. And now he realized what is Jimin for him. He want to talk with him, spend his time with him, बट पर आगे सारी गेम ख़त्म हो जाती है। बट now Jimin don't listen him, and as Yoongi don't have that much capacity, he bears someone attitude. So he also just rock with him when he wants something, and Jimin think Yoongi don't have any interest in him. That's why Yoongi behave like this, and it's totally wrong. So Mrs. Min, a Yoongi mother sent them on, and they come Paris. Now let's back to the story. Jimin closed his eyes. He don't know when he fell in sleep. Time skip after 2 hours. Yoongi enter in the room. He see Jimin is sleeping and Jimin open his eyes. He sit on the bed and he see Yoongi. He didn't touch anything and she go in the bathroom for fresh up. Yoongi also changed and now Jimin sit on the edge of the bed and Yoongi sit on the couch. Both don't know from. मन की नहीं होगी Hmm. Hmm. Where they start, and then Jimin sighed. He stand up. Yoongi, where are you going? Jimin, is it necessary to tell you? Yoongi, yes, it's now. Tell me, where are you going? Jimin, I am going out. He said. Then Yoongi stand up. Yoongi, alone. Jimin, yes, and how can you go alone? How can you go alone? Huh? You don't even know the way of Paris. Jimin, so what, huh? I am not here, so I sit in the room. Jimin behavior is so. But Yoongi stays silent. Yoongi, come with me. I take you out. Jimin, you take me out? Nice joke. I am going. Yoongi hold his hand and Jimin turned. Yoongi, let's go. He said and about to go. Jimin free his hand. Jimin, why you always give me order? Yoongi, because you don't listen me like this. Now let's go. He again hold his hand and take him and take Jimin with him. So today is the cricket match. आपने बड़ा नाम ओहो they are walking on the street of Paris. Jimin see the place. He never see the place like this. He belongs to a middle class family, but Mrs. Min and Mrs. Park is friends, so they decide there it's arranged. Jimin see the street, the shop, everything, and here Yoongi is staring him. He is thinking, how can someone is that much cute and beautiful? Jimin cheeks are so chubby, and he really wants a person like him, not Ant, but Jimin is also. Yoongi look at Jimin and around and found him. He is showing him, Jimin, something is on my face. Yoongi, huh? Jimin, something is on my face. You are showing me. Yoongi, nothing. He look into another side. Yoongi is Jimin saying him. Jimin, it feels so good when he is showing me we are in Paris. It feels so good we are in Paris. Paris, my favorite country. But I like Switzerland also. I go there one day. I decide. Paris, the city of, and he is staring him. He think and smile, a red tint appear on his cheeks. Yoongi, are you okay, Jimin? Huh? Yoongi, you want something? Jimin-san has no. Jimin, Paris is so beautiful, he said, and Yoongi smiled. Yoongi see him. Yoongi, yes, so beautiful. Jimin looked at him, and then Yoongi hurriedly looked into another side. Jimin didn't say anything, and then he see the flower shop, and the boy is the girl. Jimin, huh? Hope so they stay together for whole life, he said, and go. Yoongi stop on the spot and look at them. So yeah, Jimin also deserve all this, but because of Yoongi busy schedule, he don't do anything for him. But Jimin never do the complain, and they go in same some restaurant for doing dinner. हाँ फिर रेस्टोरेंट का पूरा सीन प्रॉपर एक सीन है वो भी एक्सप्लेन करना है अभी मुझे एक्सप्लेनेशन ही होती है एक टाइप की Jimin and Yoongi come in the restaurant and waiter come. They give their order and now start to wait. Both are silent. They don't know what they said. Now Jimin is all because once in he said Jimin is just nothing else, so he don't speak. No. Yoongi finally thought to break the silence. Jimin looked at him. Jimin, you are still at me. Jimin forward. Yoongi, I am sorry for my behavior. Jimin, it's okay. And again they are silent and Jimin again see ya. Jimin, now I understand why Paris is called the city of. Yoongi, you like Paris? Jimin, of course I do, and it's not wrong to say now Paris is my favorite place. Yoongi, I am glad. Yoongi, by the way, which is your favorite place before coming in Paris? Okay, so he started to take interest in him. So today is India Pakistan cricket match, and here I am doing voiceover. Nice attempt. Jimin, I already had a wish to go Switzerland. Yoongi, Switzerland. Jimin, yes, Switzerland. Switzerland is so beautiful. Yoongi, it's true. Jimin, the mountains is so beautiful, and also there is a peace, the beautiful lakes. Yoongi, you know many things about Switzerland. Jimin, I do a lot of research. Yoongi, oh nice. So you want to go? Jimin, if the life give me chance, then I surely go. Yoongi, it's my promise you go, Jimina. He think and their food come. They start to do their dinner, and then they see the weather is not good at all. Jimin, Yoongi, the weather is not good. I think we have to go now. Yoongi, yeah, let's go. And they stand up. Yoongi go to pay the bill, and Jimin is waiting for him. And it start raining. Yoongi come. He see the weather. He remove his. He remove his. Okay, so ignore please around jacket and he gave to Jimin. Jimin say him, Yoongi wear this, you don't feel cold, Jimin. And what about you, huh? You just wear a t-shirt, Yoongi. It's okay, I'm fine. I don't feel cold. You stay here. I try to arrange a car because there is a non-network also. He about to go, but Jimin hold his hand. Jimin, where are you going? See the weather. Yoongi, but Jimin, we do wait here. It's okay. He said, and he didn't leave Yoongi hand. Okay, so Jimin feeling Skid from a well like this, and he is not married. He leave Yoongi hand. Yoongi eyes is stuck on him. His jacket is on his shoulder, and he holds his arm by one hand. And a small smile crept on Yoongi's face. Of course, it's noticed by Jimin. Jimin, why are you smiling, huh? यार आज पता नहीं आज मेरा भी टेक्स्ट छोटा हो रहा है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है ऐसा क्यों पर मेरा टेक्स्ट पहले से आज छोटा है okay so tomorrow I write a big one nothing he said and looked into another side Jimin stand in front of him Jimin tell me why are you smiling like this huh I never see you smile and now see Yoongi nothing I just see someone who is really close to my heart, he said, and Jimmy shocked. He started to look here and there. Jimmy, no one is here, and if someone is here, they are already with their partners. Whom you see, huh? He asked him, and again start to find Yoongi, Jimin, Yoongi, if you want, you can leave my hand. He said, and Jimin see, he hold his hand, he leave his hand, and look into another side, and then again they heard the voice of a. He again hold his hand, and the rain is not ready to stop. Jimin, no, I don't leave your hand. He said, हाँ हाँ आज इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच है तो इसलिए सब पागल हो रहे हैं देख कर तो इसलिए मेरे सराउंडिंग्स में जो वॉइसेस हैं प्लीज़ इग्नोर द वॉइसेस कम कम come close to him Yoongi know Jimin is feeling scared so he take him in his and they again heard the voice of her and the direction of the rain is toward them Yoongi stand in front of him so he don't want to get and also a lot of people is here Jimin wear white color Jimin look up and his eyes meet with the Yoongi eyes Jimin is looking so tiny he is looking down and then after 15 minutes the rain stopped a little bit. Yoongi make him wear the jacket and he calls someone. Finally the network come because the rain stopped and he called driver. Driver come. He sit on the car. Yoongi is totally and Jimin see him. The weather is also so cold outside. Jimin don't know how to react now. He thought to stay silent. He don't speak anything. ईमान मम्मा कपड़े दे के आए नहीं लो जी लगा ला एक हफ्ता रह गया मंडे वाले दिन ना ईद they come hotel so yeah Yoongi booked the whole floor for them Jimin you are totally go and change fast he said and Yoongi nodded he go Jimin see the jacket he go in the kitchen and they start to make something for Yoongi come out from the room. Of course he is coughing and also Jimin see him. He become worried. Yoongi sit on the couch and he go in the kitchen. He make the soup for him and come out. Yoongi Jimin don't speak first. Drink the soup. I will help you. It will help you, Jimin. Yoongi, you no need to. He complete his sentence, but Jimin start to feed him. Yoongi, Jimin stay silent. How can you do this? Huh? See you catch them. Or Yoongi stay silent and Jimin feeding him. So yeah, I forget to mention Jimin is Dr. Jimin gave him med and he takes silently. Okay, now next I don't see the time. He give him blanket. Jimin now take rest. You have also Yoongi. I am fine. Jimin sign and he go in the room. Yoongi hold his hand. Jimin turn. He see him. Yoongi sits beside him. Jimin sits beside him. Jimin yes. Yoongi you. Jimin is shocked. He suddenly asks Yoongi answer me honestly. Jimin huh? Yoongi tell me. Jimin nodded. पागल हो गए सब और बात कोई नहीं है Yoongi tell me Jimin nodded and she looking down Yoongi words Jimin huh yes he said and Yoongi see him Jimin is feeling nervous he looking down and about to go Yoongi hold his hand Yoongi I said you go Yoongi take him in his this is the first time Jimin is that much close to him he closes his eyes to feel his Yoongi, you too. I love you too. He said, and Jimin smiled. He closed his eyes and both stay like this and don't. Okay, only some minutes voiceover are left. No, when they fall in sleep, the first time sleep like this. Sleep. Otherwise, Yoongi sleep on the couch and Jimin sleep on the bed. But now there is no need to sleep like that. And then the sun come out after a beautiful night. Yoongi is the one who wake up first. He see Jimin and smile. Jimin make up out. He is sleeping. His cheeks are looking so fluffy. He is just a cute fluffy ball. His cheeks are red and also his pink pouchy. No, when they fell in sleep this first time sleep like this. Otherwise, Yoongi sleep on the couch and Simba इंसान बन Simba इंसान कैसे बने Simba तो बिल्ली है and Jimin sleep on the bed. But now there is no need to sleep like this that and then the sun come out after a beautiful night. Yoongi is the one who wake up first. Simba who wake up first. He see Jimin and smile. Jimin make up out and he is sleeping. His cheeks are looking so fluffy. How he sleep last night. He's looking down and smile. He hide his face and then Yoongi come out. Jimin, how are you? Yoongi, I'm totally fine, he said. And Jimin, yes, fine. I am saying, how much? Simba? Simbu? Simbun? And I am saying, how much? You are fine. Yoongi, it's really nothing, he said, and Jimin sighed. He started to arrange the blanket. He didn't do eye contact with him. Yoongi, so you are ignoring me? Jimin, no. Why would I ignore you, Yoongi? Really, huh? He said, and he turned. Jimin see him, and then he looked into another side. Yoongi turned his face toward him, and both looked into each other. Yoongi, sorry for my every behavior. I am so sorry. I give you perfect life and also love. Jimin smiled. Jimin, it's like you don't said so. It's okay. You don't said sorry. Yoongi smiled and she. Chimbo, Chimbo, आज ऐसी नहीं चलना. On his forehead, and Jimin see him. He looking down, and he run from there. Yoongi chuckled to see him, and then his phone start ringing. Yoongi, hey cook, what's up, bro? JK, I'm doing good. Tell me about you and Jimin. Yoongi, we are also fine. JK, so you both are in Paris. You don't even come to meet me. Yoongi, we just arrived here yesterday, and Paris welcome us with rain. JK, it's normal. So yeah, today is our. So you and Jimin come. Yoongi, we know it's your, but we wish you when we come, okay? And then इधर आओ इधर आओ इधर आओ मारो इधर आओ मैं तुम्हें मारूं हैं मार खानी है चिंबू ने मार खानी है देखो बदतमीज चिंबू गंदी चिंबू गंदा बच्चा ओए ओए चिंबू गंदा बच्चा चिंबू गंदा बच्चा ईमान ओ दे ईमान ओ दे हाय मारता बदतमीज बहुत ही बदतमीज सिम्बा ओ सिम्बा सिम्बू चल चल भाग जा चल चल It's night time. Jimin is getting ready for going there. It's his best friend, not a joke. He planned to meet yesterday, but as the rain starts, so they come. Yoongi come in the room. He see Jimin and he stop on his face. Jimin, oh Yoongi, you come, please help me. See the chain is stuck. He said, and Yoongi come in the reality. He take the pendant from him and see the pendant. He make him the pendant and Jimin flinched. He control himself and he closed his eyes. Yoongi closed him and he plays on his acha on his thought. Yoongi back. He see Jimin. Both look at each other through the mirror and then he looking down. Yoongi, let's go. He said and go. Jimin also. Jimin look at it. Jimin. His Yoongi back. He see Jimin. Both look at each other through the mirror and then he looking down. Yoongi, let's go. He said and he go. Jimin also. They come Yoongi is silent, and Jimin don't know why he didn't said him anything. Then why he is silent, but now they reach, so he thought she asked him later. What's the matter? He see his best friend and he smile. They both meet each other after a long time. So after a long they begged, you don't know how much I miss you, Jimin. Same to JK. By the way, guys, I know you both talk daily, so how you miss each other? He asked, and Jimin signed. Jimin, there is a huge difference in meeting and in talking on the phone. JK, then you both know the difference. I talk with my friends on the phone, it's enough. Jimin, your friendship is not like us. JK, yeah, like Romeo and J, there. JK, oh yeah, then Humpty and Dumpty. Jimin eyes widen. Humpty Dumpty poem में है. Humpty and Dumpty मजे का नेम है. Humpty Dumpty. J, oh really? I am Humpty. JK, no. Who said you are Dumpty? Simba? Simba? Huh? JK, no. Who said you are Dumpty? He said, and Young shocked. They all start laughing, so he also smiled. JK and Yoongi go to meet with their meet with other friends, and Gastry and Jimin is alone too. So how's your life going? Jimin, it's great. We yesterday night. भाग जा. We get friends yesterday night. So how's your name? He said, and Jimin and Jay smiled brightly. Jay, really, I am so happy for you. So what you did? Jimin, what Jay means you don't do anything. His Anna's not Jay's sign. Jay, how can you guys are so? Jimin, we are not. I don't know suddenly what happened. He looked at Jay, who is staring him with the smirk. Jimin, what? Oh, hello. I tell you because you also tell me your whole. Jay, okay, now let's do something. It's really fun, Jimin. Jimin, what? Jay, smirk. Jay, let's make him. He said in Jimin eyes wide, and Jimin, no. Jay, yes, we meet after a long time. The moment never comes, Jimin. Jimin, no, no, Jay, it's not good. Jay, we also got to know he is for you or not. Jimin, it's not. Jimin is not ready to listen him, but Jay didn't listen him. So finally, he is angry. Jimin, now if you don't talk with me, Jay, then it's my plan now. Happy? So stay silent and come with me. He take Jimin with him. Jay, hey Hobby Hyung. Hobby, hey Jay, congratulations. Many returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. Jay, thanks Hyung. Jay, Hyung, you have to help us. Hobby, what? Tell me. Jay, his don't and I want you make him. Jimin, what? हाँ. ओके सो चियंग कुछ तो झूठ बोला है यार. सर में इतना दर्द हो रहा है ना सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये मोबाइल चलाने की वजह से दिन रात. Yes, when Jungi Hyung you, he said and give him glare hobby. It's like this, then I helped him. Tell me what I have to do. यार सिर बहुत दर्द कर दिया. घर में तो मोबाइल दिया जाता. Tell me what I have to do. Okay, nothing, you just have to dance with him. And also, I just lit the on him, you clean his. Jimin Che said thanks later, Jimin. He said, and Jimin is so scared. Hobby, don't you think it's too much? Che, only you can help him, Hyung. He said, and show his puppy eyes. Hobby, okay, I'm ready. And you, Jimin? Jimin, huh, me? Che, also ready, he said, genuine. Jimin is showing him his puppy eyes. And of course, it won't work on Tay, and then everyone start dancing, and Hobby asked from Jimin, and Tay gave his hand to Jimin, and they go on the stage. Yoongi and Jungkook talking with each other, but his eyes fall on. यार गर्मी लग गई ना, एसी चलेगा तो ठीक होगा. Yoongi eyes fell on Jimin and Hobby. His eyes stuck there, and Jungkook follow his gaze. JK, he is Jimin. What he is doing with Hobby Hyung? He said, and Yoongi take a sip. Jungkook see him. He know how much Yoongi is for Jimin. JK, don't worry, Yoongi. I know Hobby Hyung from a long time, so maybe they are doing dance just as a friend. He said, but his eyes on Jimin. They are dancing, and then Hobby. Jimin both hands is on his. Yoongi tightened his grip around the glass, and then Jacob. JK, what is this, Jay? What? They are just dancing. He said innocently, JK. Yoongi don't like he so for Jimin go and stop them. Jay nodded and then the music off. Hobby, I am sorry if I make you feel. हाँ, I am sorry if I make you feel. इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच लगा है, बस इन्होंने बैठे देख ही जाना है. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. हाँ 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 हाँ. Jimin, no, thank you so much for helping me, you know. I hope I know him, so you know need to worry, and you know it's too much about splitting Jimin. Don't worry, you no need to do anything, and then they are smiling and talking, and it's enough for a person like Yoongi. Yoongi, see you soon, Jungkook. I have to go now. He said and went to Jimin. JK didn't say anything. JK now just prefer best friend. I do everything, he said, and Jungkook looked at him and chased me. And go JK-san, because of him today, Jimin. JK, I am chance here and look at Jay. Yoongi went to him. He held his hand and Jimin seeing him. Yoongi is looking so serious. Without saying anything, he take Jimin and Hobby also go to talk with Jay and also best of luck to Jimin. बस कहते नहीं कि पूरे 2 टैक्स रह गए हैं और कुछ भी नहीं, 2 मिनट रह गए फिर मैं आज़ाद अच्छे वाली आज़ाद 12 बजने वाले हैं और इनको पता नहीं हमने सोना है. They come home. The whole journey was silent. No one speak. Jimin is scared, and Yoongi don't bother to speak something. They enter in the room, and Yoongi closed the door without saying anything. He go in the bathroom, and Jimin is just seeing his action. He sit on the bed. Of course he is. Of course he is young. Now what he did, he don't have anything to do, and now Yoongi action is making him scared. And then Yoongi come out. He go look at Jimin who stand up. He went to him and Jimin take his step back, on his back with the wall. Jimin eyes is fixed on him and Yoongi is staring him. Yoongi holds him by his hands, pull him. Yoongi, you really like when he Jimin, no, Yoongi, it's nothing like that. Trust me, Yoongi. Okay, next you all know what happened, so I don't think I need to do a voiceover on our text. And I am feeling like vomiting. I don't know why. Because of the summer, it's happening. He speak. Okay, so I don't have strength to do voiceover on this text, so I don't do. Okay. बातें अब मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं क्या बात करूँ, मुझे तो ये भी नहीं समझ आ रही. और अभी पूरे 50 सेकंड्स का वॉइस ओवर पड़ा है. ये जो सेकंड्स होते हैं ना लास्ट मेरे लिए, जिन टेक्स्ट पर वॉइस ओवर नहीं होता, बड़े मुश्किल होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. समझ नहीं आता बंदा क्या करे. ईद आ रही है आगे. मेरे जितने भी मुस्लिम आर्मीज़ हैं सबको ईद मुबारक. और जो दूसरे हैं, मुझे रिचुअल्स का नहीं, मुझे अपने रिचुअल्स बहुत मुश्किल से याद रहते हैं. सॉरी त्यौहार. हाँ ओके, ओनली सम सेकेंड्स आ रहे. यार बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, मेरा दिमाग ख़राब है. मैं कमरा खोल कर वाले कमरे में आकर खड़ी होकर चलते चलते वॉइस ओवर करने लगी, बस मैंने मिल्क शेक पी लिया. So now guys, give them time. Hope so you guys like. If you like, then subscribe and also channel me in comments. Bye bye, take care of yourself.